Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler J. Tolbert from Smile Now Dental Group. I recently had a patient ask me something that we hear more often than you'd think. My son's wedding is in about 6 or 7 weeks. Is it possible to have the dental implant procedure done now and still enjoy the day? If you've got a big event coming up, like a wedding, reunion, or even a vacation, you're probably wondering the same thing. The good news? Yes, it's absolutely possible to have implants placed and still look great and feel great on that special day. But the key is understanding how the process works and what we can do realistically within that time frame. Let's walk through it together. You'd be surprised how many people finally take the leap into dental implants because of a big event that's coming up. Maybe it's your son's wedding, a major anniversary, or even just knowing that you're going to be in a lot of pictures. Whatever the reason, it's valid. You want to feel confident, smile without hesitation, and not be thinking about your teeth all day. And the reality is, we can absolutely help you do that. If you're considering full arch implants like All-On-4, All-On-6, All-On-X, here's what we can typically accomplish in a 6 to 7 week window. Step 1, consultation and digital planning. We start with a free consultation, digital 3D scans, and a full treatment plan, often in the same visit. This lets us prep everything in advance so we're not wasting any time, and the next time we see you, we can actually be doing your procedure. So step 2 is the implant procedure and same-day temporaries. We can place your implants and deliver custom temporary teeth the same day as your surgery. Those aren't flippers or removable dentures. They're fixed, they're in place, they look great, and they let you eat soft foods comfortably. Step 3, enjoy the event. Most patients feel back to normal within a few days to a week after surgery. By week 6, you're going to be smiling, talking, and enjoying life without anyone knowing you just had dental work. You'll be in temporaries at the wedding, but no one else is going to know that. At Smile Now, our temporaries are hyper-realistic. In fact, many of our before and afters actually feature temporary teeth. All anyone will see is your confident smile. Let's be clear, your final teeth won't be ready by the wedding if you only have 6 or 7 weeks. Here's why that's a good thing. When we place implants, your body needs time to heal. The implants go through a biological process called osseointegration, where they fuse with your jawbone. That takes a few months. Trying to rush to final zirconia teeth before that happens can lead to a poor fit, discomfort, or long-term complications. That's why we always place the provisional prosthetics first, so your body can heal and we can observe the bite alignment, speech, facial support, and any small tweaks that need to be made before your final smile is achieved. So by the time your permanent teeth are ready, everything fits and feels exactly the way it should, and you're used to it. So through our process, we'll still be able to abide by the biological timeline while still giving you a smile that'll brighten a room. Here's what you'll get from us before the big day. A beautiful, natural-looking temporary smile that photographs well. Confidence to eat, speak, and laugh freely. Peace of mind, knowing your implants are healing safely and securely, and no stress about adhesives, slipping dentures, or hiding your teeth in photos. And if anything feels off in the weeks leading up to the event, we're local, we're responsive, and we'll make sure that you're taken care of. Let's build the right plan. If you're watching this and thinking, I don't have a lot of time, but I really want to do this, the best thing you can do is just go ahead and schedule your free consultation right away. We'll look at your specific timeline, medical history, and event goals, and create a plan that fits. You don't have to wait, and you don't have to walk into your son's wedding feeling insecure about your smile. So if you've got a big event coming up or you're wondering whether dental implants are still an option, let's talk. Simply click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll help you get started right away and make sure that when that big day comes, you're smiling with total confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.